Alright guys, this will be the fourth flight, fourth flight of my Scratch-built All Nippon Airways L-1011. And I'm going to fly her here today. We got a slight crosswind from the right-hand side. Alright, let's go through a good go, no-go on flight controls. Ailerons. Ailerons are go. Elevators. Elevators are go. Rudder. Rudders go. Nose gear steering. Nose gear steering is go. Man, we're getting a rough crosswind here. This is going to be a problem. You see it buffeting the tail? That's a problem. Ah, my good Nihonjin friend Toku-san. Give me some good luck, brother. Alright, let's get into the downwind leg. Cutting back power on the downwind leg. Alright, that was pretty good. Watching the power. Alright, watching that turn. Alright, let's cut back to some low power. Low power, conserving battery, low power. Alright. Bringing up high power. High power, here we go. Coming in. Gears coming down. Lining up. Calling the ball. Power in. Power in. Power in. Power in. Come on, Chris, call the ball. God damn it, call the ball. Hey, Toku-san, that was for you, my Nihonjin brother. That was for you, my man, and my buddy Tom Tom, my Japanese buddies, and all my fellow ANA pilots and lovers and dreamers. I'm gonna taxi her back. I'm gonna taxi her back right to here. This is awesome. Taxiing back. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Well, to all my RC airliner fans and everybody, I'm always grateful. Sorry about the 737 MAX mishap, but I got a good flight with this old girl. This girl's 7 years old, and I'm just so happy.